Welcome to today's episode of Learn English Fast, where we share simple tips and techniques to help you speak English confidently in no time. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, this episode is packed with useful strategies. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Consistency is key. One of the most important things you can do to learn English faster is to stay consistent. It's not about learning for hours at a time, but about practicing every day. Whether it's 10 minutes or 30 minutes, set aside a specific time each day to practice speaking, listening, or reading. Consistency will make all the difference in your progress. Tip number 2. Surround yourself with English. The next tip is to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, or follow social media accounts that use English. Even if you don't understand every word, your brain will start to pick up new phrases and improve your listening skills. It's all about immersion, and this can help you learn faster. Tip number 3. Practice speaking every day. Now let's talk about speaking. Many learners avoid speaking because they're afraid of making mistakes, but speaking is the best way to improve. Find a language partner, or even talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing throughout the day, or try to explain something in English to a friend. The more you practice speaking, the more natural it will become. Tip number 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing isolated words, focus on learning phrases and expressions that are used in real conversations. This will help you sound more fluent and give you the confidence to speak more naturally. For example, instead of just learning the word good, learn how to say good morning, good job, or it's all good. Tip number 5. Keep a learning journal. Finally, keep a learning journal. Write down new words, phrases, or expressions you learn every day. Review it regularly, and try to use those words in sentences. Writing will help reinforce what you've learned and give you a sense of accomplishment as you track your progress. There you have it. 5 quick tips to help you learn English faster. Remember, learning a language takes time, but with consistency and the right strategies, you'll see progress every day. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll be speaking English confidently before you know it. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to check out our other episodes for more English learning tips. See you next time.